Hello students of class 9th. This is a video on data entry and keyboarding skills. Today the topic is using typing software. This is the part 4 of this particular chapter, and after this video we will be doing the exercises. Let's move on to the next slide. So here are the glimpses what we are going to cover in this particular video. Introduction to Rapid Typing Tutor. Touch typing technique. Touch typing involves 3 stages. How to interrupt your results. Calculating the typing speed. Typing speed types. Typing accuracy. Overall rating calculations. Good typing speed. And the world records which are made by several people under this particular category. Let's move on to the next slide. In this slide, we are going to cover a brief introduction about this Rapid Typing Tutor. This is a particular software which is available free of cost, and it is open source software. Now, what is open source? Whenever the word open source comes, it means that the code or the language or the script which is available behind this particular software is free of cost, available to be edited by anyone. Next is touch typing technique. Now this touch typing technique improves the typing speed and accuracy. And how it is going to improve the speed and accuracy? Because by habit, the touch typist hits the right key without looking into the particular key or the keyboard. Touch typist focuses on text being typed, reading the words and phrases. Moving on to the next, children. Touch typing involves 3 stages. The first stage is when you are placing your hand on the home row. Then, after mastering that home row, you shift it to upper row. When you get master in upper row, then you shift it to the lower row. So this whole process is stage 1 for everyone. Now, what is stage 2? Whenever you are learning syllables, how to type syllables, then that becomes stage 2. And now, whenever you are typing the phrases, the syllables together by looking into the data which you are having without looking into the keyboard, is the third and the final stage. Moving on to the next, children. How to interpret your results. Before this, there is a topic where it has been explained how you are going to proceed step by step to achieve the accuracy. That will be covered tomorrow in the lesson. So, I am covering here the important or the topics which you can understand easily, and then you can fire the queries to me and I'll answer in the class, which is online class tomorrow. Right? Okay. So every time when a lesson is complete, what you are getting is the result. And result in terms of typing will be speed and accuracy. Now, the skill level. The skill level is divided into 2 parts. One is beginner, another is champion. Beginner is typing the words and the alphabets, sometimes looking into the keyboard, sometimes looking into the data which is available. The champion always look into the phrases or the syllables written on the piece of paper, that is data. But by habit, the touch typist can type the data without looking into the keyboard, and that becomes the champion. Now, after you are getting your result, there are 4 colors which can be displayed on your result. One is green color. Green color indicates, okay, you have done the right inputs within time. Yellow letters indicate the time has been exceeded, but you have written the right alphabets or the phrases or the syllables. Red letter denotes you have done the wrong inputs in the acceptable time frame, that is within the time limit. And the orange color indicates, okay, you have done so many mistakes and you have exceeded the time. An orange color indicates that this is the worst result, but don't worry, if you are getting this kind of result, just you need some practice and you will become a champion and the result will be green. Moving on to the next, children. Calculate your typing speed, which is very important. So there are few factors how you will be able to, or in what conditions you are actually calculating your typing speed. So the typing speed can be measured with different accuracy. Now, accuracy can be in terms of the words typed in a certain time period. Even it can be measured in the terms of characters which are typed in a certain time period. Even it is measured in how many keystrokes you have basically applied in a certain time period, and I'm going to explain what are these keystrokes. Okay, also there are simple speed and the net speed. Simple speed is a gross speed, but net speed, it is the speed which is calculated, like how many errors you have done, how many right words you have typed. So these kind of things if are taken into consideration, then the speed becomes the net speed. Now I'm going to explain what is the keystroke. See children, if you are typing in Hindi and you need to write say for example any word kya, so kya will become ka, then you will put one more keystroke to make the ka ऐसे ऐसे छोटा वाला, मतलब आधा का, इसमें ऐसे डंडी आ जाती है. Then आप या लिखेंगे, या, and then you will put one more keystroke to put the matra, आ की बड़ा आ की मात्रा. So this will become 4 keystrokes. Similar to this, whenever you are typing the syllables in English typing, this involves so many keys to be pressed at a time, right? Alt plus something, Alt plus Control plus something, Alt plus Shift plus something. So these kind of things are there. So these are the keystrokes which basically involved whenever you are typing. So children, moving on to the next, typing speed. Now see here, and I will recommend you that whenever you will finish off this video, go through this table once again so that you will get the I shall say the description shall be in your mind, even what is the full form and what is the basically formula for calculating these kind of things. So this table is very important and you shall go through it. One is word per minute, the number of words typed in 1 minute. Now see the formula, WPM equals to words without error plus words with error upon, that is divided by time spent in minutes, how many minutes you have taken. This words per minute is the simple speed. Now net words per minute is the speed in which the error is taken into consideration. That is why words with error are being cancelled from this. Now CPM, character per minute, how many characters you have typed. Now net CPM will not be having the characters which are having errors. Now keystroke per minute, how many keystrokes, and net strokes per minute, the wrong keystrokes will be like separated or the subtracted from the particular keystroke which you have calculated. Understood? Go through this table once again. Now see, there is an example. Whenever a student is typing 240 characters per minute with errors of 20 characters. Now if I'm going to calculate the simple speed or the net speed, then what we'll do? For calculating simple speed, we will divide the number of character, that is 240, by, that is divided by 2 minutes. It will become 120 character per minute. Now if I am going to calculate the net speed, that is 120 character per minute minus 20 errors divided by 2 minutes. Now see, if I'll simplify it, this will become 10. Then 120 minus 10 will become 110 net character per minute. Understood? And this kind of numericals will be coming in your next examination. Mind it. Now typing accuracy. See, my dear children, accuracy is what? Whenever you are typing all the correct entries, and if you are making mistake, that will be considered into the wrong words or the wrong characters and will be subtracted from the actual typed words or the character. The percentage of correct entries out of the total entries typed. This is typing accuracy. Now see, accuracy in words, character and keystrokes, we are talking about how many percent and how we are going to calculate the percentage. First of all, whenever we are talking about words, it will become 100%. That is, if I am typing 240 characters, it will become 240 minus errors, that is 20 if I am taking previous example, and multiplication by 100% upon total number of words, which is simply the percentage, right? Another time it will be same for the character and for the keystrokes. Tomorrow in the class I am going to explain by using one example. Moving on to the next, my dear children, overall rating calculations. Now see, and try to figure out what I am trying to say. Overall rating is in terms of percentage is equal to net speed, and net speed is what? When you have segregated or separated the errors, divided by course goal. And what is course goal? I'm going to tell you. Course goal in terms of speed, which is if I have made a goal, okay, today I'm going to type 30 words per minute. So this is my goal. I will divide it, then I will multiply with 100%. Now see, net speed is net word per minute or CPM or KPM. Okay, the value depends upon the current option which you have taken. Now course goal, speed is customized in the option of each course. In the each course, you can customize your goal. Okay, today I am going to type 30 words. Okay, today I am going to type 40 characters. This kind of thing, right? Moving on to the next, good typing speed. Now see, average typing speed is 50 to 80 words per minute. Now, second stage 90 to 95 words per minute. And advanced speed is above 120 words per minute. Right? Next. Now, here are some word records. The fastest typing speed on an alphanumeric keyboard, which we are actually using in our laptop or the desktop, that is 216 words in 1 minute, and was achieved by Stella Pajunas in 1946. As of 2005, writer Barbara Blackburn was the first alphanumerical English language typist in the world, according to the Guinness Book of World Record. Her top speed was 212 words per minute. Right? So, these are the two examples. Maybe there will be many more. So, my dear children, Thank you for paying attention over here, and I will be back on the online class tomorrow, and we will be having a query session. First of all, I'll explain the topics which are being covered in the video, and there is one more topic which I have not covered in this video because that was very difficult to cover. I will show you the NCERT book and then I'll cover it in the online class, which is very small topic and you people are always also aware of that particular section. But yes, then also I will tell you what is inside that, and then we will be having the query session. If you find difficulty today in listening to the video, no problem, you can ask your query in the live session. Till then, bye bye, take care.